Look! I found him! How dare you bully our brother? Only we get to do that. Smush your watermelon lime gun in his hair, Lincoln! Fine, I'll do it. Wait, stop! This guy isn't my enemy. Although thanks to you, he probably will be now. Where are you doing here? I can't believe I almost wasted perfectly good gum on him. I'll go get another boy. No, Lynn, stop! It's not even a boy. Is it a dog? It's a girl. Normally I don't care very much human emotions, but... What is your self-esteem girlfriend? My girl picks on you. Only I need one thing. She likes you. That's ridiculous. She shot on sandwich with my pants. I'll clean the sesame seeds out of my butt for days. That's all her nuts. She hates me. I'm gonna meet her today and give her a piece of my butt.
It's barely been an hour.
What?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a new one.
That's it I give! How do you party for so long?
I'm a robot, programmed to party. Duh. Also, yay! I win!
Hot dog, follow me. It's your turn to face off against your opponent.
Oh, okay.
So, Hot Dog and Frankfurter, because of both of your skills in knitting, your challenge will be a knitting competition.
Oh, cool. How long have you been knitting for?
10 years, you.
Oh,
Let's get half an hour waiting. Start.
20 minutes later.
well, I didn't work with the same knit on, but I can read the last one with quite a few people. How about you? I need a face deal, and every day now I'm hospital. Not my best work.
One hour later.
Hot Dog and Frankfurter, show us what you've done. Well, I remade my old car, and now it's waterproof too. I made a whole carnival. It's pretty cool. Well, that was the last point.
So, because you reached the castle in episode 2 First Boat, we've set up a video game competition for you in Sailboat here.
Yes, you will both battle against each other in this video game until one of you runs out of lives.
How many lives do we have?
50 each.
Whoa.
So, whoever can beat the other wins. Pick up your controllers and start.
Why are the controllers different?
No time for questions. It still works. Go.
Well, this ought to be interesting.
Let the best player win.
12 seconds later. Several bad puns later.
Haha!
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a new one.
Haha! Yes! Owned! Good game?
Yeah.
So, Slurpee and Straw, since you're both not very good runners, we've made a race for you two.
What?
Yeah, hold on. Straw has legs. This isn't fair.
Yeah, I know. Right now, you're standing at the starting line. The first to cross the finish line wins. But where is the finish line? Far over there. You can't miss it. So, 3, 2, 1, go!
A few inches later.
And Straw wins.
Alright, Shieldy and Badgie, since you've both proven your talents in deflecting random incoming objects, we've made a competition to test your skills. The ball shooter will shoot balls at you, and you'll have to try to deflect them into your basket. The first to get 5 balls in their basket wins. Go!
Whoa!
Ow! Hey, ow! Hey!
Eventually.
Hey, I think I'm getting the hang of this.
Easy for you to say!
Yes, I got 5.
Baguette and French fry, since you both possess the ability to speak French, your competition will be a French spelling contest.
You'll both have to stand in front of this screen that will tell you what words to spell and when it's your turn. Whoever spells a word wrong first loses. Are there any questions?
Yeah, will he be better than me since French is my second language?
Who said that?
Maybe.
Oh,
Anyways,
no.
go!
It's one of the Teletubbies.
Baguette.
You know that I hate that show.
That's
Crayon.
right. I can't believe that my show
C-R-A-Y-O-N.
got canceled in 2001. And now I return to give you a new OS.
That's it.
Day 2.
I'm
French
clicking
fry.
exit.
Épelle. Surnaturel.
I removed the exit button. Now you will have Tinky Winky OS instead of Windows 10.
Day 3.
Baguette. Épelle. Extraordinaire.
E-X-T-R-A-O-R-D-I-N-A-I-R-E.
Day 4.
Fry. Épelle. Melon d'eau.
M-E-L.
Hey, what happened to my face cam? Oh, there it is.
Welcome to Tinky Winky OS. Hey, why are you mad?
I have a Teletubbies wallpaper.
So, shall we
Can I
proceed,
change
though?
it?
Since both of you
Tinky
are born
Winky
singers, you'll be
OS
doing the
does
singing
not have a
competition.
control
I'll
panel.
give you a bit of time to
So
think
I
about
guess
what
you
want
are
to
stuck
sing,
with
then later
this.
you'll perform.
Fine.
Go.
I'm going on Google. I'm just gonna go on YouTube. What? I need $100 to go on YouTube?
I know what you are going to do. You are going to watch a video of me dying.
Later.
Well, so far this OS sucks.
Hey, you better be quiet, you stupid baby.
Later.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, 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 oh.
Go then.
I can't believe that you called me a stupid baby, and I can't believe that your show has a reboot. Oh my god. Well, I have no choice, but I am going to do IT.
So try to keep them on the longest.
What is he doing?
I'm Goofy Goober! You're a Goofy Goober! We're all Goofy Goobers! Goofy Goofy!
Exactly.
Wow, that lasted a lot shorter than I thought it would.
1 point for Battle of the Objects.
Yay. I'm back, Windows 10. Oh, I love you so much, and I will never deal with a baby show OS again.